Hi, I'm Kelly LeClaire. I have a great slice of Coto de Caza, new to the market, that is ready for new buyers to make it their own. Some updates have been made to the property over the years, but there is still so much more you could do. The potential is amazing. I mean, check out these tall ceilings. I love the layout of this kitchen. There is a ton of storage. The primary suite is right off of the main living area with a fantastic balcony overlooking the greenbelt. In this wing, you have 3 bedrooms and a full bath. To get into a property here in Coto de Caza at this price point is really special. It's just a wonderful gated community with a lot of amenities. If you would like a private showing, you can contact me. I'm Kelly LeClaire. Thanks for watching.